How to use the clipboard in Excel. Have you ever needed to copy some data in Excel and it takes forever? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it quickly. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel in which we want to do it. I will select this Excel that contains some data. As you can see, there is a lot of information here and I need to copy it. I can do this in the classic way by copying one line at a time. However, there is a better way to do it. The option we will use is called Clipboard. To activate it, position yourself on the Home tab. When you're on the Home tab, you will find an option called Clipboard. It is located at the bottom on the far left. Just click on the arrow next to it, and a new window will open on the left. Now just copy an item. When you copy it, it will appear in the clipboard list. Copy anything you want. Once you've done that, just select the field you want to paste it all into and click on the value you want. Also, you can delete everything by clicking the Clear All button or paste everything by clicking the Paste All button. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.